Fellow Biafrans, sons and daughters of the land of the rising sun, as we approach the sacred 30th of May, our hearts turn with solemn reverence to the heroes and heroines who paid the ultimate price so that we might stand here today, unbroken, unbowed, and unwavering in our conviction. They did not die in vain. Every drop of blood spilled between 1967 and 1970 was a seed planted in the soil of our collective destiny. Today, those seeds are sprouting. What the enemy meant for our destruction has become the very foundation of our resilience. We are the living proof that no amount of genocide, starvation, or oppression can extinguish the fire of a people determined to be free. This Remembrance Day is not a day of mourning alone. It is a day of renewed hope. It is a declaration that though the journey has been long and painful, the morning is coming. Our history is not a burden to carry in shame, but a torch that lights our path forward. Our identity is not negotiable. Our quest for self-determination is not a dream. It is an inevitable destiny written in the blood of our ancestors and the unbreakable spirit of our generation. Let this 30th May remind every Biafran at home and in the diaspora that we are stronger than our suffering. We are wiser than our betrayals. We are greater than the forces that seek to keep us down. Even in the face of intimidation, marginalization, and deliberate silence, we rise. Even when they try to bury our voices, our 30th May sit-at-home observances echo louder than their fear. Our unity is our greatest weapon, and our hope is our greatest defiance. To every young Biafran, your future is not in Nigeria's bondage. It is in Biafra's glory. To every parent and elder, your sacrifices have not been forgotten. We carry your pain with pride and turn it into power. To the doubters and oppressors, the spirit of Biafra is immortal. You cannot kill what God has preserved. As we gather in memory, let us also gather in unbreakable resolve. Let our silence on May 30th speak volumes. Let our prayers ascend like incense. Let our hope shine like the rising sun that defines our land. Biafra is not a thing of the past. Biafra is our tomorrow. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. That morning is nearer than many think. Hold fast, stand firm, keep hope alive. A new Biafra is rising.